Be sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. When you do that, you help my channel grow. Hi, I'm Miss Jessica and welcome to my world. Today on Language Connection, we're going to learn some French. And here to lead us is my good friend, Miss Alicia. Here she is.
Bonjour!
Bonjour! Miss Alicia, thank you so much for being here.
You're welcome. I'm so happy to be here today.
I'm excited to learn French because I love your language.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. So where is French mostly spoken?
Well, French is mostly spoken in France, but also some other country. In Canada, for instance, some part of Canada, Switzerland, yeah, and Belgium.
Oh, wow. That's cool. Miss Alicia is from France, where the official language is French.
Bonjour!
France is in Europe. The French flag is blue, white, and red. French is also the official language of 12 countries, 6 non-sovereign entities, and the co-official language alongside one or more language in 29 independent nations around the world. How do you say hello in French?
Bonjour! You say that when you are in the morning. For the night, you say bonsoir.
Oh, and that's good night?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Or good afternoon.
Oh, okay. Okay. So can we repeat after you?
Sure.
Okay.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir. Ooh.
Good.
How do you say thank you in French?
Thank you in French is merci or merci beaucoup.
Oh, what's the difference between the two?
Thank you or thank you very much.
Oh, okay. So the first one is what?
Merci.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Really good.
Ah, really good. Let's count to 10 in French.
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 et 10.
Ooh, okay. Can we start from the beginning and can we repeat after you?
Sure. So 1 will be 1.
1.
Perfect.
Okay.
2.
2.
3.
3.
Yes. 4.
Oh, there's like a...
This one is pretty hard.
Okay.
Use the back of your throat and then roll the R. 4.
4.
Good.
Okay.
Very good.
That was good.
5.
5.
6.
6.
7.
7.
8.
8.
9.
9.
10.
10.
Perfect. Parfait.
Ooh, parfait. Ah, good job.
Also, I want to teach you another word.
Ooh, okay.
In French, it's délicieux.
Délicieux. Oh, what does that mean?
It means delicious.
Oh, that's a good word to know.
And you know why I'm saying that?
No, why?
Because look at that.
Oh my goodness, what is this?
Those are croissants. It's a French specialty.
Croissant.
A croissant is like a French pastry, it's sweet. It's made of like butter and flour. And in France, you find them usually in a boulangerie, a bakery.
A boulangerie?
Yes, boulangerie. You eat them in the morning with your milk and chocolate. And you can put a lot of things in there. You can open it and put some marmalade, Nutella. You can even eat them with like some ham and cheese.
Oh,
It's really good.
so you can eat chocolate for breakfast?
We do a lot in France.
Oh, we should go to France.
You should. You want to try one?
Okay, here we go. I'll just take a piece. Oh dear. Well,
C'est délicieux.
well, Miss Alicia, merci beaucoup for being here and being a part of my world.
Oh, you're welcome. I had such a pleasure to be here today.
Yes. Ah. Well, everyone, this is Miss Alicia, and I'm Miss Jessica, and I'll see you soon. Oh, wait, how do we say goodbye?
Au revoir.
Oh, let's say that together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Au revoir.